How to use an out of office message in Outlook. So if you're using a web or if you're using a non-licensed version of Outlook, you cannot really see this option in the free license. So if you have a licensed one or a premium version, I will teach you on how to do it. So just follow my instruction. So click the top right corner setting here, and you're going to find the mail. And here in the mail, you will see a automatic reply. So I don't have automatic replies right now because I am using the free version. So after that, click turn on automatic replies, then type your message. So optional, set start and end dates, and after that, click save. So done. Your automatic replies will notify people when you're away. That's pretty much it. Simple and quick, easy step to set an out of office message in Outlook. Thank you.